What is going on, everybody? So, some of you might know this from a stream a couple weeks ago, but I mentioned that Hikari was sending me a bunch of food to do a giveaway with, and I was gonna originally make it a 400 sub giveaway, but you crazy people blew it out of the water and got us past 500. So as this is being recorded, let's see, we have 507. We have 507 of you wonderful fish people subscribed to the channel. So, that being said, Hikari followed through, and I have a box of food. So, we're going to go through this box real quick. I'm going to tell you a little bit what I feed, how I feed it, make it more than just, oh, look, there's food, because you can see it's pretty stuffed. So, there's going to be several giveaways that are going to go with this. Yes, this is a giveaway. So, all you people that are loyal subscribers get a little giveaway out of it. So, first up in here, we got some of their patented Betta Bio Gold, which I feed to all my fishes. Well, not all my fishes, but I feed it to my bettas. It's a nice small pellet. So if you have bettas that are smaller, or even other fish, I fed this to guppies. I fed it to reservoirs. I fed it to a lot of stuff. So if you have bettas or any other smaller fish that you need something to feed to, you can give them this. I've also given it to cichlids because it's a nice, again, smaller pellet. So we got 3 of those, again, primarily for bettas, but I've also, again, fed it to guppies, reservoirs, tetras, cichlids. So you can feed it to multiple things. Next up, we got an algae wafer here. Nice Hikari algae wafer. This is, I've fed mostly to plecos, cory cats. I've also fed it to my African cichlids because they're mbunas, so they like a little veggie in their diet. Other than that, I just kind of throw these in tanks. The snails eat them, the shrimp will go at them. The Amano shrimp particularly like these, so there you go there. Nice versatile algae wafer there. Another staple of mine, Hikari's micro pellet. This is, again, a nice, small, tiny little pellet. Much smaller than the Betta pellet because it is micro. As you can see, you got your tetras on the front of there. You got a few different kinds of tetras right there, which is mostly what I feed this to, but I'll throw this in the community tank. I'll throw this in the wild Betta tank. I'll throw it in my nano tank that has CPDs in it and pygmy cory cats. So, again, nice little good food here. That... just overall, you can feed it to a lot of things again, and nice protein, 43% protein, so it's a little bit up there. But again, good food, staple in my fish room. Oh, another staple here. We got the Hikari freeze-dried bloodworms. So for those of us that aren't lucky enough to have a fish store that has a freezer section, these things are great. I've had fed other frozen bloodworms before and had issues with my fish bloating, but the Hikari ones I have not had any issues with. They're 55% protein, so they're nice and high in that, and I thought I heard someone say that they have the best freeze-dried ones. So in my opinion, definitely a good food here. This I feed to everything. Guppies, rasboras, bettas, tetras, catfish, everything I have. This will get thrown in maybe once a week, every other week. That gets tossed in my tanks as a nice little treat for the fishes. Alright, let's see. Next up, we have, for all you cichlid lovers out there, I said to Hikari, I was like, hey, I got people that are following that are into cichlids now. Keep cichlids. I need something for African cichlids. So I said I would like some of their Sinking Excel right here. This I feed primarily. This only ever gets fed in my Mbuna tank, because it says it contains vegetable matter African cichlids crave. Vibrant colors you have believe quick to devour, high digestible. As the mini pellet, it also sinks, so it's a nice and small pellet. And I can confirm that my fish do look better since I feed them this. Before I was just feeding them run-of-the-mill spirulina flake from one of the companies. And I started feeding them this, and I have noticed that my manganos in particular have gotten nice, more deep blues in them. So, definitely recommend this. Again, great for African cichlids. anything that likes a veggie, really, you could probably give it to, but it is tailored toward those African cichlids. Let's see. You guys have seen me give these away and talk about these a lot. We got Vibra Bites here. Good old Vibra Bite. Again, another one that's it looks like a worm. So if you can't get the bloodworms or you can't get your wild fish to eat regular flake foods or anything, the Vibra Bites is a good choice. You can try it because it simulates a worm. It will help you slowly wean your fish onto regular food. I remember Ed was talking to a guy at Aquashella, and I had some Vibra Bite samples, so he was like, here, try this. And the guy came into a chat and was like, hey, it worked, thank you very much. And I'm like, that's great. So again, this is a multi-purpose food. I feed it to everything in my room. That includes betas, rasboras, tetras, cory cats, the two-spot catfish. Literally every fish I have has eaten Vibra Bites. Now that's just one of the Vibra Bites we got. Then we got 3 in here. Yes. So we got one big one, and then we got 3 small boys here, which are still normal size. So we got those. How this is going to work is we're going to have multiple giveaways for hitting 500. So what's going to happen is we're going to have a grand prize. Grand prize is going to win the big Vibra Bite, the micro pellet, the algae wafers, a thing of beta food, and bloodworms. So this is what a grand prize is going to win. So again, you're going to get a thing of freeze-dried bloodworms, Hikari algae wafers, beta food, micro pellets, and Vibra Bites. Now this will pretty much allow you to feed a lot of different things in your fish room. You got the algae wafers that you can use for your bottom feeders that like the algae, like your plecos. You got the bug bites for your discus. That's a good one for discus. You've got your micro pellets for all your smaller fish. And then you have the beta bites, which you can give to betas and other fish. And then the bloodworms. And everybody loves the bloodworms. So that's the grand prize. There are also going to be a couple small prizes. So first ones, we're going to have some beta bites to give away. So 2 people, 1 and 1. We'll get those. These Vibra Bites, 3 different people. We'll have a chance at these. So 1 per person. And then the Sinking Cichlid Excel will be another one for someone to win. So you cichlid lovers out there, here you go. This is for you. Because this is fish food, unfortunately, it's got to be U.S. only. I'm sorry. But so let's see. We got 1 grand prize. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller prizes. So how this is going to work is you're going to leave a comment on this video. That's step 1. Well, technically it should be step 2. But step 2 or 1 is you need to be a subscriber. This is for subscribers only. I'm sorry for people that aren't subscribed. But you get some perks if you subscribe. You get free fish food. We're also giving away a bunch of food on stream. So subscribe, hang out on the streams. You might win some extreme fish food. We're giving that away also. So you leave a comment on the thing on the video down below. How this will work is we will do my Friday streams on October 1st. We will do a comment picker generator, which means I will put the video link in this website and it will randomly pick people that win. We'll start at the bottom. So we're going to start with the betas. First 2 people, 1 comment for this beta, 1 comment for this beta food. Then we'll move on to the Vibra Bite. 1 for Vibra Bite, 2 for Vibra Bite, 3 for Vibra Bite. Then we'll have the cichlid food. Boom. And then once those are given away, we've got our grand prize, which wins this nice stack of food here. Which again is the freeze-dried bloodworms, the micro pellets, a thing of beta food, algae wafers, and Vibra Bites. This will again be for U.S. residents only, 18 and up, just because you have to be 18 years or older to win things on the internet. Other than that, again, super simple. Be subscribed. That's option 1. Step 1. Step 2 is you must leave a comment on this video. And then on October 1st, during my live stream on Fridays. We will roll the comment pickers and see who's going to win some food. And if you don't win the food and you want to try the foods, I also have samples. I have algae wafer samples. I have micro pellet samples. And of course, they hooked me up with more Vibra Bite samples. So, if you do not win something and there's a food that you see that you would like to try, shoot me an email, lefty3213a at AOL.com. Hit me up on Instagram, which is just lefty3213a. And let me know if you want some of the samples to try if you don't get anything. And if you're in the market and you end up liking the foods, you can always purchase some at FishKeeping.com. I will put my affiliate link in the description. So if you decide to get some food through them and you use that link, you help me out and you also help them out. You're supporting both of us for the price of one link. Works out. And as always, thank you all so much for the support on all these videos. We're back to hopefully one weekly video. So one video a week. Upload days are going to be Sundays now because I looked at my analytics. And that was the best day that my videos got the most views. So from now on, every Sunday morning, I'll be posting a new video. This is going up before the Aquashella giveaway. So make sure you check out the Aquashella video that I did before this one. Or 2 videos before this now. So you get a chance at some Aquashella swag and giveaway stuff there. You can skip to the end of the video or middle if you want to see what's in that one. Other than that, thank you all again. Make sure like, comment, subscribe so you have a chance to win these beautiful giveaways. Big thank you to Hikari for continuing to work with me, as always. And thank you to John and Lisa from Katie Tropicals for also working with me as well. So I will catch you guys in the next one, and I hope you have a good day, week, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.